Hey Dog Pros, Josh from DigiWolf here, and thank you so much for signing up for our free training on making your marketing efforts go further. If you signed up for today's free training, chances are you're probably some kind of dog trainer, dog walker, pet sitter, veterinarian, veterinary behaviorist, or other pet professional who wants to get more out of your marketing. You might have a website that you love or hate, or you might be making a real effort in showing up on Google and other platforms to bring more clients in. Whatever marketing you are or aren't doing, we're going to spend our time together today going over a few easy ways that you can get more out of your marketing endeavors. And to organize the topics we'll be talking about today, we'll be taking a look at 3 key areas that'll help you get more out of everything you're already doing. These areas are our front desk, how we can easily be more responsive without actually having to pick up the phone, our follow-up, how you can easily start automating all of your follow-up for both potential clients and your already paying clients, and finally, review automation. We all know how powerful word of mouth can be, and we also know how much of a pain it can be to hunt clients down for those reviews. And so with that said, I hope you're as excited as I am to jump into our first topic, and that is increasing our response times. We've all been there when we've received a phone call or an email and we're too busy to pick up or respond right away. And so we receive some sort of email or voicemail with a really promising lead. And then we come to find after emailing them back or trying to call them back a few hours later that they've gone with the other dog trainer. It does happen to the best of us, but what if I told you there was a way that we could get back to these folks quite a bit faster before they can even scroll to the next business listing? With our all-in-one platform Clicks, you can not only pick a phone number for your business with your area code, but we can also program automations for getting back to people when we're not able to answer. And so inside of our automation builder here, which we're starting with a template with, you can see that we can set a missed call text back. So whenever someone calls my Clicks number and I don't answer or they leave a voicemail, I can automatically send them a text back saying something like, "Hi, so sorry I missed your call. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as I can. But in the meantime, if you have any questions about your dog, feel free to ask them here. Or if you'd like to just schedule a call with me, you can also click here below." Now you can imagine being the dog owner receiving this text, and as long as our messaging isn't too salesy or over the top, our potential clients are going to feel attended to, and they'll feel like the business on the other end of the line actually cares for their clients. And even better, I can follow up with these folks after the fact too. So if they don't respond to my text or if they don't book a call, after a certain amount of time, I can have our system send another text saying something like, "Hi, just want to make sure you got your questions answered," etc., etc. Additionally, our system works the opposite way as well. So you can imagine that you have a call scheduled with someone, a potential client. You go to call them, and of course, they don't answer. So after duplicating this automation, I can just come in here, change my trigger to outgoing and no answer, and then send a text to essentially say, "Hey, so sorry I missed you. If you'd like to schedule another call, click here." So I hope that you're seeing on the front end how just these couple of automations can help us potentially save a massive amount of business. And if we apply these same concepts to the back end of our business, so with clients that have actually paid us and are going through our programs and services, we can set up automations for these as well. So maybe we want to send some reminder texts 30 minutes before we arrive, or maybe 30 minutes after a class, we decide we want to send a homework handout, or maybe when someone signs up for our puppy school, we want the system to give our new clients access to our online courses. So inside our business, you can see that if we follow these same approaches, we can potentially save ourselves a lot of time as well. Now I save our last topic of review automation for the end, because if we can accomplish all that we've just talked about and in a sense create kind of a well-oiled machine for our business for bringing clients in, just imagine if we turned on a faucet for bringing in even more new leads. So getting more traffic to our Google page, our website, or anywhere else. And so one way of growing that faucet or turning on that faucet is by getting more reviews from your clients. We know how much of a pain in the butt it can be to try to chase our clients down for those reviews. But with Clicks, we're actually able to automate these requests. So we have an action in our builder for send review request. So you can just imagine that after our sessions or classes, we might send out a review request so that we're growing our Google profile. And in turn, this is really going to give our business more traffic. And so there you go. We've spent about 10 minutes or so setting up these couple of automations that can have a massive effect. And I just want you to imagine what these automations could do for your business. With about 30 minutes or so of setting these up inside of our system, you can have these automations running for your business in a very short amount of time. So whether you've been putting your effort into getting more community referrals from vets, other prep professionals, or maybe you're putting a lot of effort into social media or growing your Google profile, I hope you'll consider taking the time to make your efforts go even further. So if you'd like to get these automations started in your business, I invite you to start your 14-day free trial of Clicks right below this video. In addition to everything we've mentioned today, Clicks allows you to manage your clients, payments, scheduling, online courses, build a website, and so many other things. Thank you so much for spending the time to invest in your marketing knowledge, and I can't wait to see you in our Clicks community.